functions. Exercise 1C. Find the domain of the real valued functions. First question. Find the domain of real valued functions. First one. F of x equal to 1 by x square minus 1 of x plus 3. F of x equal to x square minus 1 of x plus 3. This is the function. We need to find out the domain. So this function is in the form of g of x by h of x. Previously we discussed the domain. So the denominator won't be equal to 0. So when the denominator is equal to 0, x square minus 1 of x plus 3 equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Denominator not equal to 0. So x plus 1 into x minus 1 of x plus 3 not equal to 0. X plus 1, x minus 1 and x plus 3 not equal to 0. So x plus 1 not equal to 0, x not equal to minus 1, x not equal to 1, x not equal to minus 3, x not equal to minus 3. So this is domain. So domain R minus of minus 1 comma 1 comma 3. So this one. Next second. F of x equal to 2x square minus 5x plus 7 by x minus 1 of x minus 2 of x minus 3. So this is also in the form of rational function f of x by g of x. The denominator won't be equal to 0. So x minus 1 of x minus 2 of x minus 3 not equal to 0. So x minus 1 not equal to 0, x not equal to 1, x not equal to 2, x not equal to 3. So in real numbers, in domain, it doesn't contain 1, 2, 3, r minus of 1 comma 2 comma 3. In real number set, we are not going to be choose 1, 2, 3. The images of 1, 2, 3 are does not exist. Simply we are removing 1, 2, 3 from real numbers. Thus we are getting domain. Next third. So f of x equal to 1 by logarithm of 2 minus x. 1 by logarithm of 2 minus x. So logarithm is exist for positive values 2 minus x greater than 0 and log 1 equal to 0, denominator won't be 0. So denominator is equal to 0 when this is equal to 1. 2 minus x is equal to 1. So 2 greater than x and x bringing outside 2 minus 1, 1. So 2 minus x not equal to 1, x not equal to 1. So x value less than 2 and not equal to 1. So x belongs to less than 2 means starting with infinity to 2. So when we are taking minus infinity or plus infinity, we are taking simply open bracket and less than open bracket minus 1. So this is the required domain. Now fourth one, f of x equal to mod of x minus 3. F of x equal to mod of x minus 3. So modulus of x minus 3 equal to, so this is exist for all real numbers. So here denominator won't be equal to 0. Here also logarithm is exist for positive value, but modulus is exist for all real numbers. So domain equal to R. So domain is real number system. Next, fifth question. F of x equal to root of 4x minus x square. So already we know this is in the form of root of g of x. In the previous we discussed. So root of g of x, domain of root of g of x, the set of real numbers which satisfying the condition g of x greater than or equal to 0. So 4x minus x square greater than or equal to 0. I want to multiply with negative minus of x square minus less than or equal to 0. Bringing minus outside, both side multiplying to negative. X square minus 4x less than or equal to 0. So x comma x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. So we have four conditions: ax square plus bx plus c having real roots alpha and beta. Ax square plus bx plus c less than 0, less than or equal to 0, greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. If it is less than or equal to 0, it should be lying between alpha and beta. X domain x belongs to, so equal closed brackets. So x 0, x minus 4, 4. So the domain is x belongs to closed interval 0, 4. Next, sixth question. Sixth question is f of x equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. So this is in the form of 1 by root g of x. So the condition is g of x greater than 0. So because the denominator won't be equal to 0. So 1 minus x square greater than 0. If it is equal to 0, the denominator may be 0, then such function does not exist. Minus common, x square minus 1 less than 0, not less than 0, greater than 0. Bringing minus outside, multiplying with minus x square minus 1, now it is less than 0. So I will write a square minus b square formula, a plus b, x plus 1 to x minus 1 less than 0. So since it is less than 0, it should be like between. So domain x belongs to minus 1 to 1. So since it is less than, we are taking open bracket. So it is equal, we are taking closed bracket. Closed bracket meaning including 0 and 4. All the numbers lie between 0 to 4, including 0 and including 4. Here all the numbers lie between minus 1 to 1, but excluding minus 1 and plus 1. We are not going to take a minus 1 and a plus 1. Next, seventh. F of x equal to 3 power x by x plus 1. F of x equal to 3 power x by x plus 1. Now, if we are taking f of x equal to 3 power x by x plus 1, so simply the denominator won't be equal to 0. X plus 1 not equal to 0. If x plus 1 equal to 0, denominator is equal to 0, such function does not exist. X not equal to minus 1. So, yet minus 1 value, this function is not existed. So domain, we are removing minus 1 from real numbers set. R minus of set minus 1, singleton set minus 1. Next, f of x equal to root of x square minus 25. X square minus 25. Okay, this is f of x. Root of x square minus 25. Now, so within the square root, it should be greater than or equal to 0. Since it is in the numerator only, so it may be 0, no problem, but it won't be negative. So x square, x plus 5 into x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. So if it is less than or equal to 0, it should be like between. If it is greater than or equal to 0, it doesn't lie between. Domain x doesn't belong to minus 5 comma 5. If it is equal, we are taking doesn't belong to closed equal open symbol. So if it is not equal, closed symbol doesn't belong to, or else x belong to. So it doesn't belong to minus 5 comma 5. It is nothing but either it should be less than minus 5 or greater than plus 5. Minus infinity to minus 5. Union 5 to infinity. So minus infinity plus infinity always open brackets. Since it is equal, we are taking closed brackets. So this is closed, this is closed, this is open, this is open. So minus infinity to minus 5 closed, 5 to open infinity. Okay, next, ninth one. So ninth question is f of x equal to x minus brackets square root of x minus brackets. F of x Okay, if we are taking f of x equal to x minus bracket x, already what is bracket x definition? Bracket x always less than or equal to x for all x belong to R. This is the definition. Bracket x is smaller than x. Okay, so x minus bracket x, what happened? Greater than or equal to 0 for all x belong to R. So x is bigger minus smaller, always positive, greater than or equal to 0. So within the square root value should be always positive. So always positive. So therefore domain equal to R. Domain equal to R. So whatever the x value, bracket x is smaller, bigger minus smaller is always greater than 0. Whatever the value you will take, this is either positive or equal to 0. So this is always exist for all real numbers. Next, 10th. F of x equal to bracket x minus x. So we know x is bigger than bracket x, but some condition, in one condition bracket x value is equal to x. What is it when bracket x is equal to x? Bracket x is equal to x for all x belong to z. If x is integer, bracket x value is equal to x. So bracket x minus x equal to 0 for all x belong to z. It won't be positive. It won't be positive because bracket x is always smaller than x. So it won't be positive, but it may be 0. If it is 0, this is exists. But if it is bracket x is less than, so it is negative. It doesn't exist. So bracket x equal to bracket x minus x equal to 0 for all x belong to z. So domain equal to z. So this is the first bit, first question. Next, second question. Next, second question. First bit, second question. Find the ranges. Find the ranges of the real valued functions. Of the real valued functions. Find the ranges of the real valued functions. Previously, we find a domain. If we substitute the domain values, we will get images. So that results we need to find. So first, log of mod 4 minus x square. Log of mod 4 minus x square. So one thing we knew that. So whatever the x value you may take, this is exist. Whatever the real value we may take. So domain. First, if we need to find out range, we need to find out domain. 4 minus x square not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, then only it won't be exist. So x square not equal to 4, x not equal to plus or minus 2. Domain r minus plus or minus 2. Domain r minus plus or minus 2. Next. So coming to the substitution, whatever we substitute for x. So this is greater than 0. If it is greater than 0, range of logarithm function is R. Range of the logarithm function. Whatever we substitute, we are negative values, positive values, and 0. So the range is equal to R. Next, second, square root of bracket x minus x. Bracket x minus x. This is the function. So previously we found a domain. So bracket x equal to x for all x belong to 0. Actually bracket x is smaller value, x is the bigger value. Bracket x minus x either it is equal to 0 or it is bracket x equal to bracket x is equal to x or bracket x is smaller than x. So bracket x is smaller than x, then square root of negative does exist. So we won't take a bracket x not equal to x. Bracket x equal to x for only x belongs to z. So bracket x minus x equal to 0 for all x belongs to z. So domain equal to z. Range, if bracket x equal to x, square root of 0 equal to 0. So range equal to set of 0. So this is the only answer. Next, question number 3. Sin pi bracket x by 1 plus bracket x square. Sin pi bracket x plus 1 plus bracket x square. So actually bracket x square. So bracket x square greater than or equal to 0. Bracket x may be 0. Since it is square, it should be greater than or equal to 0. It may be 0 and positive. So 1 plus bracket x square greater than or equal to 1. So this is greater than or equal to 1. Sin pi bracket x equal to 0. Sin pi bracket x equal to 0. Since sin pi equal to 0, sin 2 pi equal to 0, sin 3 pi equal to 0, whatever the integral multiple, so sin pi bracket x equal to 0 for all x belong to z. So whatever the result is always equal to 0. Sin pi bracket x by 1 plus bracket x square is always equal to 0 for all x belong to z. For all x belong to z. Okay. X belong to R, not only z. So for all x belong to R. If we are taking whatever the real number, bracket x is always integer. X real number, bracket x integer. So bracket x belong to z. X belong to R, but bracket x is always belong to z. Example, x equal to 1.7, bracket x equal to bracket 1.7 equal to 1. So this is real number, but this is integer. So this is equal to 0. So whatever the values, we are always getting 0. Thus range equal to set of 0. Next, fourth one. X square minus 4 by x minus 2. X square minus 4 by x minus 2. So domain. So x minus 2 not equal to 0. X not equal to 2. R minus 2. So the image of 2 does not exist. So if x not equal to 2, x square minus 4 by x minus 2 equal to x plus 2 into x minus 2 by x minus 2. X not equal to x minus 2 cancel. If x equal to 2, then x plus 2 equal to 2 plus 2, which is equal to 4. If actually the image of 2 does not exist, if the image of 2 is exist, that is 4. If the image of 2 does not exist, if it is exist, it is equal to 4. But yet x equal to 2, the function does not exist. So the image of 2 is also does not exist. So domain R minus set of 2, range R minus set of 2. So 2 is the non-element in domain. So the image of 2 is 4 is not element in the range. 2 is not image. 2 is not the element in the domain. If 2 is the element, then its image is 4. So 4 is also not the element in the range. Next, fifth question. Fifth question is square root of 9 plus x square. Square root of 9 plus x square. So we knew that x square always greater than or equal to 0. X square greater than or equal to 0. 9 plus x square greater than or equal to 9. 9 plus x square is greater than or equal to 9. So if we are taking square root, 9 plus x square greater than or equal to square root of 9, that is equal to 3. So this function is always greater than or equal to 3. This function value always more than 3. So we are taking 3 to infinity. This is the required